Hi everybody, we're going to try clamshell technique for the Soap Challenge Club for March 2020. And my lye waters here has a lot of lye lint, so we're going to strain that out like so. Grab my spatula here, see if we can get that to go through a little bit. Mush it up so it's all in there, part of our recipe. There we go. Very nice. Okay, take care of that. We'll bring this to emulsion. We have a 2-pound batch here. And I'll bring my paperwork over here. So I have olive oil, coconut oil, lard, palm oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter, and castor oil in here. And it's went through immersion, so it's all blended. So we're going to split this off to 2 colors. Let me just mix this up a little bit. Now, I tried to do this technique a couple times already, and it is not very easy. So because my titanium dioxide thickened up on me so much, I'm going to use some white mica instead, which of course does have titanium dioxide in it. But here it is. We're going to use Snow White by Mad Mica, which does have titanium dioxide in it. It's very glittery. We're going to use Snake Island, dark green. I love dark green. And so let's split this off. Okay, I'm going to try and get this blended without stick blending too much. I want to keep this fluid. And it doesn't have to be real white. It's pretty nice. It'll probably be alright. As long as we get a dark green here, we'll be alright. Get all our edges where all that dry powder is mixed in. Now, this particular technique, you need to not have a liquidy batter. So our temperature right now, let's see, where are we at? 82. So I'm going to go ahead and let this set up by itself, and I'll bring you back when it's ready. Okay, I think we're thick enough. It took a good 15 minutes to thicken up. The temperature is about 80 degrees, 82 degrees. So it's getting thick enough, so we're going to transfer our color to our pouring spout, which is right here. Hopefully I can do this. Alright, can you see that alright? Let me see it alright. Well, I'll just pray this goes well. Do I have something there? Okay, nope. Okay. Can you see? Not that good. Okay, gotta pour it like this. Sorry if you can't see. Okay, there we go. Now, I was watching Lisa Cunningham on I Dream of Soap, and she made her pores and did them along when this was flat, so I'm going to give it a try, and here I go. So I'm going to pour here, then here, then here. So, and I noticed they poured a little bit first and then did a little shake, stopped it, brought it over here, poured a little bit out, and then shake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the middle, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm going to pour from the other side. Hopefully my tables, they're all going to stretch out. I better hurry. Okay, then I'll go back to this side. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side. And then back to this side. Which way do we go? This way? Pour and shake. Pour and shake. We'll go back to this side. Okay, we'll go back to this side. To this side.